The Pi Network has launched a no-code and AI-assisted environment called the App Studio to democratize application building within its ecosystem. With this toolkit, even non-technical users can create decentralized applications, dApps, that run inside the network's ecosystem and leverage the native Pi token. The shift to providing developer tools and dApp creation capabilities is grounded in the broader Web3 trend toward decentralization, utility, and community-driven innovation. Traditionally, blockchains required deep coding, smart contract knowledge, and developer overhead, but the App Studio dramatically lowers those barriers. The Pi Network documentation touts ready-to-use SDKs and APIs that let apps integrate Pi accounts, wallets, and payments without requiring blockchain-specific development experience. One of the earliest major milestones, the App Studio saw thousands of dApps launched in just weeks, signaling strong initial community engagement. For instance, reports indicate over 7,900 dApps built within weeks of launch, and later more than 21,700 custom apps by mid-2025. The introduction of AI-powered features means that users can define their app logic with natural language prompts, and the system will scaffold much of the structure for them. This combination of AI, no-code tooling, and blockchain integration empowers the creator economy within Pi. Users become builders, not just miners. A key dimension is utility. When apps integrate Pi token payments, wallet interactions, or identity verification, they enhance real-world relevance of the ecosystem. Equally important is discovery and growth. The network introduced a staking to promote apps feature, where community members stake Pi tokens to boost visibility of apps in the directory. By tying promotion to staking instead of centralized ad spend, Pi seeks to align growth with genuine community interest rather than just paid marketing. For developers, this means direct access to a global community, tens of millions of pioneers, via the Pi browser, which serves as the gateway to the ecosystem. Moreover, the developer portal provides onboarding, app registration, and app management tools, simplifying deployment and lifecycle management. For businesses or individuals, the promise is clear: develop with less friction, reach a large user base, and participate in the Web3 economy without reinventing foundational components. However, as with any rapid ecosystem launch, there are challenges. One is the quality and utility of many of the thousands of apps. Creation is fast, but meaningful usage is the harder metric. For example, community commentary notes that while making apps is easy, in many cases there's limited support for monetization or advanced features yet. Another area is documentation or deeper developer tools, e.g., full smart contract support, which some have flagged as less mature compared to older platforms. Still, the vision remains ambitious: a global permissionless ecosystem where creators build, users engage, tokens circulate, and the network's utility grows organically. From a technology perspective, the App Studio abstracts many complexities, so developers, or creators, don't need to worry about underlying consensus, wallet integration, or network security. They can focus on ideas in UX. In the context of Pi's roadmap and goal of an open mainnet, the proliferation of apps is a strong signal that the ecosystem is preparing for scaling and real-world use. If usage, engagement, and economic flows pick up, rather than simply app count growth, then the value proposition of the network deepens, moving from mining to utility, from speculation to service. Equally, the success of this layer depends on sustained developer support, good tooling, incentives aligned, and maintaining an ecosystem where creators feel rewarded. For users of Pi Network, this means more interesting apps, more ways to spend or engage with Pi tokens, and a richer experience beyond just mining. Ultimately, the developer tools/dApps/App Studio triad is a crucial inflection point. It is the mechanism through which the ecosystem becomes meaningful, usable, and sustainable. While the journey is still early and many metrics are yet unproven, user retention, real-world commerce, token velocity, the architecture, and community movement are promising. By enabling creators from all backgrounds, not just programmers, to build applications, Pi is embracing inclusivity and expanding the base of builders in a way that many earlier blockchain platforms struggled to achieve. In conclusion, the App Studio and associated developer tools represent the bridge between potential and practice in the Pi Network ecosystem. If creators build, users adopt, and the token circulates, then the network's value equation becomes stronger. For developers or creators considering building on Pi, explore the developer portal, take advantage of the no-code/AI tools to prototype ideas quickly, and aim for utility rather than just novelty. For users and community members, explore the directory of apps, stake Pi tokens behind apps you believe in, if you wish, and provide feedback to creators to help improve quality. Keep an eye on ecosystem maturity. Watch for features like monetization, deeper integrations, more advanced developer tooling, and genuine engagement metrics, not just app counts. Be aware of risks. As with any early ecosystem, some apps may be experimental, incomplete, or low quality. Evaluate before investing time or funds.